Hello YouTubers, beer geeks, and beer hounds alike. Bill here. We're going to do a beer review. Alright. This one is from Belching Beaver. It's called Deftones Ceremony Double Dry Hopped Hazy IPA. And let me get the light here. Alright, this puppy comes in at 6.5% alcohol by volume, and they are from Oceanside, California. And it's got a date on it, canned on 8, looks like 8/16/21, so it's like 3 weeks old. That's what the can looks like. Okay, I got 4 pints of this at Total Wine & More for like around 15 bucks, I think. And once again, all right, a little literature there if you want to pause it, read it. Okay, I think I got the thing here. Okay, just checking the price here real quick, make sure. Let's see, Belching Beaver was yeah, 14 bucks before tax, so it's probably like 14 and a half, more towards 15. So let's get it cracked open and see what we got here. Belching Beaver's been kind of hit and miss with me. I mean, I've had some good ones by them, but some not so good ones too. But maybe this one will be one of the good ones, so we'll see. The Deftones, I think they're referring to the band, maybe? Ceremony? I don't know. I've heard of the band Deftones. They're pretty cool. You know what I mean? Well, that's what the can looks like. And we got Monster, frothy, creamy, silky head here. A little bouncy, got a few bubbles popping up in the middle there. Definitely a hazy beer. Not totally hazy, but you can't really see any sharpness of the light there. It's like a yellow haze, kind of a yellow hazy. Not so much into the amber, but more like yellow. Come on, man. All right. Can see it through a little bit, see? Okay. Alright. Let's get some more in here. A nice little donut going on top there. Whoa. No. Okay, let's get an aroma on this puppy before I get to overfilling it like I just did. You can tell. Alright. Alright, let's get this under control here. Okay. Alright, so let's get an aroma on this puppy. Oh yeah, very nice. Get nice citrusy tropical notes right up front. Pineapple. No grapefruit. Maybe a little mango or something. Papaya. Nice sweetness kind of smell. I'm not sure what that is, but it smells pretty darn good. Let's get a hit. Cheers. Very nice. Very nice. A little lemon zest coming through. Very little, almost like a floral kind of note, or kind of like a floral perfumey kind of gig. Tasty. Very tasty. Nice grapefruit and kind of lemon zesty coming through. Very nice. Very tasty, actually. That is good. Wow. It's a trip because it has like a perfumey kind of note, but it doesn't bother me. You know. This is very good by Belching Beaver. Very, very good, man. Okay. All the notes that were in the aroma are in the sip, and then some. Very flavorful. Very flavorful. I'd have to say so far, this is probably the best beer I've had from Belching Beaver. Medium mouthfeel. It's got a nice kind of bitterness kind of all the way through the sip, but not lingering in the back end. It's all flavor. Very nice. Very nice. So really nice head retention, lacing on the glass there. Really good malt backbone to it too. Wow, I'd probably pick this up again. This is very tasty. I'm very impressed. It's juicy. The double dry hops just coming right through, man. Very, very nice. I'm pleasantly surprised, actually. It's very fresh too. That has a lot to do with it. There's a note in there, I'm not sure what it is, but it's good. Some kind of fruit, might be stone fruit, or maybe guava. But there's definitely a prominent note coming through, and I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I like it. Nice bready malt coming through also in the aroma there. Would you look at that? Oh, this is tasty. Good job, Belching Beaver. Wow. Damn good job on this one. Very, very impressed. Wow. Okay. Gnarly. Got me off guard. I'm glad I grabbed it. Alright, well, you know what? We're going to go ahead and just swill it one more time and wrap this puppy up. Look at that. Cheers. Excuse me. Sorry. How rude, right? This is a very good beer, guys. Gals. Very good. It's got a nice malt backbone. Really nice, complex hop profile. It's banging. Good, decent price. Nice, creamy. Nice and creamy, man. Medium mouthfeel, no booziness at all, no raw alcohol notes. Really, really nice beer. Look at that lacing on the glass. Would you look at that? We'll go one more time. I'm enjoying this. Really nice breadiness coming through. Very, very tasty. Very tasty. Caught me off guard. So that's pretty much what I got on this puppy. Scale of 1 to 5 stars. You know what? I'm gonna give this puppy a 4.9. It's that good. It is that good. This is a tasty beer. It really is. So 4.9 it is. That's my story. I'll stick with that. If you see this, you get it fresh, I recommend it for sure. It's very, very tasty. So 4.9er here. Cheers. Alright everybody, thanks for stopping by, checking out the vid. Have a great evening and have a great day tomorrow. And we'll check you later, okay? Subscribe, hit the like, you know the drill. See ya.